Hi, I'm Gabby, and I'm going to show you how to freeze figs. So I've got some figs. I've got a plastic container with a lid. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut the figs in half. And I do this because when I freeze figs, I do it to put them in milkshakes or smoothies. And when they're already cut, it makes them much easier to blend up. And they freeze more evenly too. So I'm just cutting them in half. Figs aren't very big. If for some reason you have some really big jumbo-sized figs, then you might want to cut them into quarters. But these guys you can just cut in half. So I'm going to do my best to make a nice even layer with the figs so that they're not sticking to each other too much. And then I'm going to cover them up, put them in my freezer. And when they're nice and frozen, you can pop them into the blender with some ice cream and maybe a banana and have a delicious fig smoothie.